Dhoni's smile will impress us from out, but will the product inside do the same? Let's find out. Hello YouTube, I'm Adi here and today I have the FireBoltt Dagger Smart Watch with me over here. This is a Bluetooth calling watch and it has a 1.43 inches AMOLED touch display, multi-sports modes and other features like NFC, one more strap, zinc alloy shell, and towards the side nothing, and at the back you can see these are the features that are built over here. There is a training modes, monitor, controls and other main feature. You can make and receive calls also from this particular watch, and also you can see the message notifications. Here are the other features like heart tracking, SpO2, sleep monitoring, camera control, breath training, weather updates, smart notification, music control, etc. So there are many features in this, and it also supports Apple iOS and Android phones also. The retail price is shown as 18,999, but it's available on Amazon for around 3,500. Towards the side you can see there are certain other features which I told now, and other thing is like it is IP68 water resistant and 170-degree viewing angle. We can see the watch over here. Let me just open it. Okay, so this is the watch. Feels pretty big in here, so let me check this later. Let's see what else is in the box. So this is a charging cable or the dock, as you can see. You can connect it over here, and one more thing is the strap. So this is the removable strap, and apart from that you can get a subscription for Ghana, and okay, won a movie ticket, book my show. Okay, good. There's one more pamphlets or cards, etc. Congratulations, you won for this one. Good. And the user manual. So this is how we attach the strap to this. Let's put this plug over here and pull this pulley which has been given, and here you go. So this gets attached, and the same type this way as well. Done. Watch feels pretty premium in the hand. The build is also very good. You can see metal build over here, and back is the plastic. It also has some sensors over here to track the heart rate monitoring, SpO2, etc. And this is the charging dock. Also it comes with this strap over here. This is made up of silicone. It is also a very good material. Feels soft in the back also. It's time to turn this on. Let me just set it up. To use all the features, the watch has to be connected to the mobile using the app Fit Cloud Pro, and is available in Play Store and also in iOS. So you have to sync that with the watch and mobile. So once it's synced, you can use all the features available over the app and also in the watch. Once we download the app, this is how we should add the device. Once you click on this, it will ask you to search. Once you search, you go down here, you can see the watch name, FireBoltt 1209, and it will ask you to bind. Just click on yes, and it is connected successfully. So this is how we connect the watch to the mobile. Just tap on this pair and connect, and just pair on this, and it gets connected successfully. Once connected, this is the name of the watch that it shows in the mobile, and the app also has pretty good features. You can see alarms, activity reminder, weather reports, sports push, rise to wake, heart rate measurement, etc. There are pretty good features on this app as well. The watch also comes with pre-installed smartwatch faces over here. As you can see, there are pretty few, and if you want more, you can just also download it from the app also. So these are the faces present in online, so you can just download whichever you want to. It comes with an AMOLED HD display, a touchscreen display with 60Hz panel over here. The brightness is also pretty good. Even the viewing angles is also very good. As you can see, towards the side also there's not much reflections or anything, and the display is very clear. Swiping down will take us to the control center, where we can see the time. There's a battery indicator over here and the connectivity that has been shown, and also the call facilities icon has also been shown over here. So there are also other few basic settings which can be seen over there in the control center. Swiping up will take us to the notification panel, where you can see the messages, WhatsApp messages or normal messages, etc. as a notification. Swiping towards the right will take us to the main menu, where you can see different menu options in this. There are several of them. Swiping left will take us to the feature pages, where it will show the walk distance, etc. along with the BPM, heart rate monitor and alarm, also weather and music settings, etc. This watch has a lot of features. Going towards the menu, you can see over here, there are pretty much very good features: telephone, contact person, call records, voice assistant, and all kind of data, workout modes, heart rate monitoring, SpO2, blood oxygen, female health tracker, music, find phone, setup, etc. So you can enable the call alerts and the message alerts over here. Once you go to push notification, you can see the call alert, SMS, WhatsApp, or whichever app you want it to be enabled can be enabled over here. This is how the notification comes in the watch. You can see over here. If you want to see the complete details of the notification, just swipe up and you can see all the messages over here. Since this is a Bluetooth calling watch, it comes with a mic over here and also a speaker, so that you can listen and talk over the speaker itself. This is how the call feature sounds like. This is the speaker, as you can currently listen. I just called the Airtel customer care and you can listen to the voice over here. It has also a mute option over here, which can be muted and unmuted, and we can cut the call as well. Let's check the mic quality as well. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಸ್ಟೋರ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನಾನು ಆದಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ವಾಚಿಂದ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೈಕ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಸ್ಟೋರ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಸಾರಿ ಮಗ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. As you heard, there is some small distortion while you make calls through the watch and speak over the mic given in the watch. The watch has several workout modes, for example walking, running, treadmill, hiking, etc. So whatever workout you are doing, you can record them accordingly. For example, if I click on walking, it starts to track the data. Here you go. And if you want to stop it, you can just click the right button. It will come to end, and once I click, it will record all the data as well. The heart rate monitoring system is also accurate. As you can see in the watch, it's around 87, and also in the oximeter, it's at 88, 89. So the accuracy of the heart rate monitoring system in the watch is also pretty good. The SpO2 readings are also accurate. You can see in the watch it's around 99%, in the oximeter it's 98%. So the values are pretty much accurate. You can also control music from this particular watch itself. As you can see, you can play and pause the song in this. You can change the song as well. And also one more song, you can come back, and also it has option to increase the volume and decrease the volume. The setting comes with the basic features, for example menu style, display, battery, vibration intensity, setting time. All these are present in the settings. The display settings has some features in it, for example changing the watch face, changing the brightness as well, screen time, whichever seconds you want it to be awake, then rise to wake feature, and also always on display settings over here. I'm outside in sunlight and the brightness is also pretty good on this. Actually it's very good. You can see the display very clearly. Sorry for the glazing lights, maybe because of camera. As you can see, I'm in peak sunlight and the brightness is very good. However, it misses on auto brightness. It also has always on display feature, which is very good. The vibration intensity on this watch is also very good. You can change it from soft to strong, and it vibrates pretty well when you get notification or a call. This watch also has Find My Phone feature in this. For example, if I just click on this, you can see the phone starts to ring. This watch comes in with 400 mAh of battery, which can last up to 15 days according to the company. But if you use all the Bluetooth function features, that is the calling features and the music, etc., and use it completely, it might last up to 7 to 8 days according to the usage. There is also power saving mode in this, which you can turn off and on to save the battery. Overall, the watch is pretty good. It has a very good display over here, the AMOLED display, and it also feels good in the hand. It has premium build quality, so looks very premium in the hand. Along with that, there are the health trackers functions, which are also very good. For example, the SpO2 and the heart rate monitoring functions, and the calling feature are also useful. Along with that, the battery life is good. I used for some time, and you can see it's up to 70% now. So it is also very good, and it comes with the IP68 water resistant rating. So you don't need to be worried about water splashing on this. Coming to the negatives, what I observed is the touch is not so smooth. Yes, it works fine, but however, it is not so smooth because probably it's a 60 Hz display panel which has been given for this watch. Also, this watch misses out on the auto brightness feature, which should have been there in this particular watch. You have to just adjust the brightness manually whenever you go out or inside. This watch doesn't come with a storage facility built in it, so that is also missing in this watch. This price point at around 3,500, this watch is pretty good. It packs in a lot of features. It has a very good display. The build is also very good, and it looks premium in the hand as well. So all I can say, you can go for it. It's a value for money product. The link to buy this watch will be given in the description box below. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe.